2.5 decades ago, after graduating from the DIT College of Marketing and Design in Parnell Square. I set up a design company with a colleague of mine and worked in the industry creating what was originally corporate identity. The essential difference between today and then is that everything was prepared for print. As a consequence, we used very manual equipment such as pens and brushes and stuff like that to create artwork. Nowadays we use everything is software and technology based. For me personally at the moment, I'm on Adobe Creative Suite. That's what I would normally use for processing raw files from cameras, which are essentially a digital scanner. I'll use a variety of software from Capture One to Adobe's Lightroom through to a Photoshop workflow, and I tend to use a color managed workflow, which means I have additional software for calibrating my screens. So what I see on screen is very much what my clients will see on their screen. My machine is a kind of it started out as a basic Apple Mac, although I've changed all the hard disks in it. I've changed the graphics card on it. I use ATI Radeon cards to run multiple screens. I've increased the RAM on the machines up to 30 gigabytes to give me that bit more element to it. For my own personal photographic work, I use a variety of Nikon cameras, D4s, D800s, and I've a legacy collection of lenses that go back 20 years. I've pretty much got everything that I need for that. Lighting equipment varies. It's usually high-end flash. I use all Bones equipment for that, or if I'm doing more specialist stuff, I use HDMI lights, which will give me consistent, continuous light. Or else, if I'm out on a job where I need just small lighting input, I'll mix strobe lights or strobist type materials, flash guns, with ambient light. You should ensure that you know how to use your equipment and be able to handle yourself in any situation. Simple as that.